Good morning, Chef. How are you?
Good morning.
How's the day? Yeah, this is my chef Bagali. Yeah, this is Mr. Matthew.
How are you?
And this is Mr. Omar. Yeah.
Kamusta ka?
Ay, wow, mabuti.
Okay.
Yeah. What is your menu today, Chef?
Today is spring roll.
Spring roll.
Yeah,
Voila.
and cheese samosa also.
Wow. Okay, please continue. And this is the vlog. Okay. Our vlog is food and pets lover.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So this is the one. Yeah, preparing. See what you do. They're rounding now. So how many minutes, sir? To
How many time?
yeah.
Yeah.
How yeah.
Only 30 or 15 minutes. This
15
one.
minutes,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
How many pieces for that in 15 minutes?
15 minutes. This one for 400 pieces.
400 pieces.
Yeah.
Oh. So just only one time to put in the pan. So 400 pieces. This one. Yes. What is the inside side of the spring roll? Only vegetables, huh?
Carrot, cabbage,
Yes.
like this onion,
Okay. This a chili also?
chili.
Chili? Yeah, spicy.
Spicy, yeah.
Oh,
White
spicy.
pepper powder.
Okay. So this is the menu for today of Chef Matthew. Yeah.
From Bangladesh.
From Bangladesh. Yeah. This is the chef from here in Jabalus. For the Ramadan time, he is the manager for the morning shift. Yes. Okay, chef. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good day. Please like and share and comment my vlog. Thank you guys. Bye.